Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, I am going to discuss about a simple exercise how you can build a chatbot using the Dolly model. So in this video, I will give you a template and explain you how you can build a chatbot, and you can try it on your own and post in my comments, and in the next week I will reveal the solution and also announce the names of the people who have tried and posted to me. Okay, so let us dive deep into the video. So many of you have been asking me so many questions like how I can start on building the code. So this is the most important aspect of developing a generative AI and LLM based application. So this template you can use as your brief outline for you to develop a chatbot. Okay, so that's why I will give you this template. Okay, uh, in this template there are total 7 steps. In the first step you have to install and import the necessary packages. Okay, that is your first step. So for that you have to use these commands. Okay, so pip install is the command and followed by the package name. So all these are the important packages that you have to install for your application. So if you are installing inside the Jupyter notebook or any Python IDE, you have to use pip install the package name. If you are doing inside the conda prompt, then you have to use conda install -c conda -- forge the package name. So these are the steps that you have to do. Okay, and once you're done with that, you have to reset your notebook so that whatever the downloaded packages will come into effective. Okay, so for that you are using this percentile reset, and then you have to import the necessary packages. For that you are using import dodge, and from the transformers you are importing the pipeline method, and then you have to get your Hugging Face token. For that you are using this code, or else you can directly give that value to a variable. Since I have that stored in my user data in my Google Colab, I'm just importing that and using that. Okay, and that is your first step. So you're done with installing the necessary packages as well as importing them. And the second step is you have to create your pipeline using your Dolly model. So I'm using Dolly V2 3B, but you can use any of your wish, whatever the models that are available in the Dolly version, you can use those, but I'm using this. Okay, so for that, this is a template. You have to import the torch package, and from the transformers you have to import the pipeline, which you have did already, so no need that. I just gave that as a template. And then you have to take a variable, and then your code will be coming here. Okay, so you have to create that pipeline, and you have to pass your token. Okay, so that is the step. So do your code here. Okay, I have just given the template, so that's why I did not gave here the code, and next week I will explain the solution. Okay, and the third step is you have to load any libraries that you need. So for that you are using this code. Okay, so from the langchain.memory import conversation buffer memory, and then from the langchain.prompts you are importing the chart prompt template, message placeholder, system message prompt template, and human message prompt template. And then you are importing LLM chain. So LLM chain is very much important to add all your pipelines together. Okay, and then you are importing the prompt template as well as Hugging Face pipeline. So all these are the required libraries. Okay, this is your third step. And coming to the fourth step, you have to define the prompt using the chart prompt template. So for that you are taking a variable and then giving some prompt. So anything you can do. And then you have to give the prompt. Okay, and the next fifth step is you have to define the memory object. Okay, so for the memory you are attaching your pipeline, so you have to create the memory too. So you're taking a simple variable, and then your code will come to here. Okay, and then the sixth step is whatever the pipeline that you're creating using Dolly, you have to pass it to your LLM chain so that it will manage our conversation. So for that, I'm creating two variables. One is HF pipeline, which I created, and the conversation for to add to your LLM chain. Okay, so that is your sixth step. And the seventh step is just you have to check whether it is working or not. So I gave a simple question of hi. Okay, so these are all your steps. Okay, you have total 7 steps, and in all these 7 steps I have gave you the template. Okay, so just follow this entire template and build the code, and post me in the comment section so that I will see your comments and then announce. Obviously I'll give the answer in our next video, but if anybody has done and posted to me, I will just announce their names. Okay, so this is our video for today. So I hope you understand this video, and all the best for this exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.